This long video explains several common problems in smart hotel guest room control projects. After seeing these issues, hotel owners and installers can better understand what should be checked before project delivery. The first problem is that the Shadow Smart speaker does not have normal continuous power. When the speaker is not powered correctly, it may stay in a network configuration state. In that situation, the speaker cannot play the welcome message normally when the guest enters the room. A smart speaker used for hotel voice control should normally have constant power. If the speaker depends on the wrong power circuit, the guest room voice control experience will be unstable. The second problem is that the room control mode can be optimized. For example, view mode, sleep mode, leisure mode, and other scene modes should be arranged clearly. If the scene logic is not clear, guests may not understand which button controls which room function. The video points out that some lighting strips are placed under the TV cabinet. The control logic should match the real room layout, otherwise the scene effect may not feel natural. Another issue is that a scene may be set as mutually locked or exclusive. When one mode is locked, other expected functions may not respond in the way the hotel wants. The bed area should also have a one-key control function for the main room lights. If the bedside panel does not include a clear all-off or main light control, the guest has to operate too many buttons. The curtain control button should be placed in a convenient position and should match the actual curtain motor logic. Background music and Shadow voice assistant functions should not conflict with each other.